What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and just stopping by, don't forget to give my video a nice thumbs up. And Zombie Vanjie, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. Alright y'all, so today I am doing a nice little surf and turf for y'all. I have broccoli, steak, shrimp, crab legs, and hot mama sauce in the back. I am so hungry. And over here, y'all, I have some raspberry detox water. Because y'all know I'm trying to do right. I'm going keto for everybody that didn't catch my last video, but I want to go ahead and get started and say grace. Amen. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a piece of steak. Y'all know I like my ribeye steak. Do I got broccoli on it? I don't know. Y'all see that? Ooh. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Now that is good. How y'all doing today? Happy Thursday. I'm glad that y'all are here with me. Y'all pan-seared the shrimp. Did I just say shrimp? Oh my gosh. I pan-seared the shrimp. I can't believe I just said that. Now, that's one of my pet peeves hearing men say swimp. Hearing people say swimp, period. It drives me nuts. Don't trim my fat. Get off. Get off me. I'm gonna dip my steak in my hot mama sauce. I'm gonna try it for the first time. Get y'all a bite. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is good. I wouldn't want to keep dipping it in there because it kind of take away that flavor that I already have on the steak, you know? Mm. So good. Mm. I made that hot mama sauce like extremely too spicy today. It's good, but yeesh. I'm gonna drink all my dang on water. But yeah, I know the style of the water look familiar. My sister taught me. Oh my gosh, that's so good. But I hope y'all is having a lovely, lovely, lovely night. I hope y'all had a lovely day. It's Thursday. We all got a job. And we got stuff to do. Get y'all a bite. Mm. That is really good, y'all. Ooh. Steak. I'm sharing all my steak. Y'all can't keep getting it now. Shoot. Mm. All right, y'all, so what I did was I lightly seasoned the crab legs in the crab boil. I put like just enough to fill the bottom of the pot. I then added my broccoli to the boil. And I pan-seared the shrimp. And I can't believe it's not butter, garlic, black pepper, and a little salt. And for my hot mama sauce, I can't believe it's not butter. as my base. And click on the link in the description on how to make it completely. This is really good, y'all. Oh, let's get into some crab leg. Y'all. Y'all been having me cracking up about my sister and her dang on glass. And you know what? I want y'all to comment below. Comment below if you think that I broke my sister glass. Comment below if you think I did it. Or if you thought that I did it. Cause y'all was ready, boy. When she said, I got a bone to pick with you. Y'all was like, Y'all supposed to be on my side. Ooh. Oh no, my bowl about to fall. Oh, my bad. I ain't even share no crap with y'all. See, I told y'all, when I'm hungry, when I am hungry, I be forgetting to share. Y'all want some broccoli? Like, no, sure don't. No. Boom. And I didn't take a thumbnail, y'all. Oh. I didn't even take a thumbnail. Well, y'all, so today one of my organization sisters reached out to me. And she said that she wanted to start an empowerment women's class or young ladies class. And she wanted to partner up with me based off both of our experience to join forces and create something big for youth in our community. And when I tell you I'm all for that, I told her that is a great idea. Now, I did tell her I'm a little tied up with work, YouTube, and a healthier lifestyle, which means I'll be going to the gym and stuff soon. I bet y'all like, not even like that. But do your research on the keto diet first, boo, before you come for me, okay? Stop playing with me in my comments. Stop playing with me. But anyway, I thought that was a great idea. Like, I'm telling you, the people that brought us up, and we store what we know and what we learned from them and to the young adults of today, that's gonna be something major. For real. Like, I know I be goofing off and stuff like that for y'all, you know, entertain them, but when it comes down to my community and the kids in it, get y'all by that. I'm all for it. Always have been. Ever since I was in high school, I was always for building the community. So, I told her that is a bomb idea. So, of course, she's gonna do the young girls, and she told me that she wanted to do the young men as well. So I said, let's do it. So there will be some life changes for me pretty soon that will allow me to do so. Here's that crab meat, I promise y'all. Y'all bite. So I'm excited. I know she is. Because it's a lot of work to be done in our community with these kids. Y'all know that I'm really enjoying this. But yeah, once we get the ball running, which will be in like I give it 2 or 3 months, because she came up with the idea, and now we have to plan accordingly. Then looking to making it happen. That's what I got going on currently. But yes, I will be going into the gym, y'all. Oh, I'm doing my little lipo procedures again. Because the last time I did it, if y'all seen that vlog, I think it was like last year. When I did it, I wasn't consistent. So nothing happened. But back at it. A lot of things I started cutting out starting Monday of this week. Like all sugary foods. Like candy, cookies, you know, stuff like that, cereal. Oh man, all my claw came out. And excuse me. No more drinky. But I can still have an adult beverage, but I can't chase it with nothing. No juices, no sodas, straight water. My original goal was to do it for 30 days. But I'm gonna do it 2 months straight. Because one, I'm trying to get fine for my birthday. Period. And for two, you know, I just want to be fit. I really do. And I chose the keto diet because it allowed me to really eat what I want. It's just a low to no carb diet. And your body's going to use the fat that you're storing into it, the fatty foods, and use it as energy. So that's why I choose to go with it. So I can eat all the butter, all the steak, all the chicken that I want. Yeah, I say I'm gonna have some lit behind dishes. Y'all see? This right here, this is just training wheels. That was delicious. Cheers. All right, y'all. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank y'all for joining me tonight. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all night and a good morning for everybody that's watching in the morning, that's catching up. Hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and give my video a nasty thumbs up. And don't be banshee. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNT gang. Y'all, my mouth is burning. That fits me some more water. I am out of here. I will see y'all later on. Yes, indeed. And don't forget to stay popping bubbleliciously. All right, y'all. Bye.